Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Emily Edit The Once palette by Makeup Revolution. It is a collab with Miss Emily Noel. She is on YouTube. I create this eye look with this palette. This palette retails for $20. If you guys want to see this review, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so this actually was the first time I put the palette to work, which is really exciting. Give me a second. And if you guys haven't seen Emily Noel's video showing her makeup collection, you should go and watch it. It is a really in-depth review, and I really have fallen in love with Emily Noel because she's a mom. She is a very hard worker, and I've only recently started watching her for a year now, but I've heard that she's been in the makeup community for many years. She used to work as a news anchor, and she, you know, a lot of people's been with her in this journey, and she seems to be a really genuine person, which honestly I love. I think I fell in love with her more because she's a mom. She's hardworking. Her personality is out of this world. I don't know. She can't do no wrong by us. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you a little bit about her palette. And this is an eyeshadow palette you want to use every day. It was crafted with content creator Emily Noel, aka Beauty Broadcast. The Revolution X that Emily added. The Once eyeshadow palette features 24 matte, satin, and shimmer shades. Emily said, I wanted this palette to inspire but could also allow you to stay in your comfort zone. I wanted the perfect balance of light, medium, and really rich dark shades. I want the color to be buildable so you can reach that level of intensity that you want. You can create the countless looks and endless creativity. The one is encased in pale peach packaging with Emily's signature in rose gold. This is an absolutely beautiful palette. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the palette. This is the palette right here. How beautiful are those colors? Come on. And of course in this video you see that I use these shades. I use this shade here. I use both these shades right here. I use this shade. And I also, and I use a little bit of this shade mixed in with this shade only to give me more of an indent on the outer parts of my eyes. And for my highlight shade, of course, I use this. This palette is absolutely worth the money. I mean, $20. And do you see the mirror it comes in? I know you guys are going to see everything. But do you see the mirror? That mirror is amazing. Like, come on. And these colors, you get 24 shades for $20. You technically pay probably less than, what, $1 for these shades. Like, I'm going to show you a couple quick swatches. But I'm also going to insert some swatches, because I did get some swatches of this. Look at those colors. I'm going to swatch the green that I use on my eye. Look at that. One more shade. Let's do a purple. She even incorporated purples. Like, come on. That's a win for all of us. There you go. These shades are absolutely beautiful. They blend beautifully. I love the matte. There was some kick up, but I didn't have no fallout on my eyes. And again, I also tapped my my brush. Sorry, I have a cold, guys. Ultimately, my decision is that if you're looking for a palette that has everything you need and you don't want to break the bank, this is the palette for you. This is also a good palette for starters, people who are just getting into the makeup world and they want something that has everything. They don't want to break the bank, and you know, they want everything all in one. And I love the look that I created with this. This is a very spontaneous look. I enjoy it. I'm so shocked that I came up with this. So my thoughts, absolutely amazing palette. Congratulations, Emily. Also, guys, it's a winner. You should consider picking it up. And look at the size, $20 for this. Alright, guys, well, if you guys want to watch more reviews like this, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Thank you, guys.